Hey everyone, Greg here from Carid.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I want to showcase an all-new custom wheel that we just added to the site that could very well be the next modification that you perform on your truck or SUV. This time, it's going to come from the team that is changing the game in the off-road custom wheel segment, and this is Venomrex's VR-602 custom wheel. So here they are, guys. These are Venomrex's all-new VR-602 custom wheels. Now, I'm going to assume that the reason most of you clicked on this video is because, number one, you like this wheel just as much as I do, and number two, you're wondering who is Venomrex anyway. Well, Venomrex is an all-new off-road wheel brand, again, that we just added to our site, and this brand was launched in 2017, so they're relatively new to the scene, but they are rapidly making a name for themselves. Venomrex is actually a subsidiary of the incredibly well-known Vorsteiner wheel company. Simply put, Vorsteiner decided that they wanted to apply their innovative flow-forged wheel technology and unique modern designs in the off-road wheel segment, and Venomrex was born. But if you guys want a complete history lesson about the team over at Venomrex, head over to our YouTube channel right now to check out our full brand review video. But for this video, you and I are just going to focus on this killer VR-602 wheel. Alright guys, once again, these are Venomrex's VR-602 custom wheels, and out of their entire lineup, this wheel is one of the most popular styles for a few different reasons. Now, first and foremost, just look at this design. This wheel is absolutely stunning. Now, Venomrex is incredibly focused on ensuring that each wheel that they design is going to be innovative and modern, and I really think they nailed it with this VR-602. They chose to design it using an attractive split 6-spoke design, which I really feel gives it a great off-road look. Then they topped it all off with a stout center cap and exposed lug nuts, but to me, the icing on the cake is definitely their logo engraved right into the outer lip. But as impressive as the design of these wheels are, so is its construction, which is one of the features that's really putting Venomrex wheels on the map. Now, rather than using a one-piece cast construction like most off-road wheels, Venomrex uses a flow-forged construction. Now, this technique creates a stronger, more durable alloy compared to your standard cast wheel. Now, not only will it be stronger, but it's also going to be worlds lighter. So not only is this VR-602 capable of handling a few potholes, but it's also going to be able to put up with whatever punishment you can throw at it out in the dirt. Alright, so now that we have the design and construction of this wheel covered, let's go ahead and look at some of the available finishes and sizes. Now for finishes, you're going to have a lot of great choices. For all 17-inch wheels, you can select from either a sinister coal black, a subtle and sleek tungsten graphite, or my personal favorite, this bright Highland Bronze. Now 20-inch options are very similar, but they do vary slightly. If you love the all-black look, check out their killer Mystic Black option, or you can go with a sleek Carbon Graphite finish, and they also offer a very attractive Desert Bronze as well. Honestly guys, I don't think you can go wrong with any of these finishes, and it's really nice to have some options to choose from so you can customize your rig to your liking. Now for sizes, it's going to be a little limited, but that's okay. Venomrex is not like your traditional wheel company. They are incredibly focused on the performance of their wheels, and they only offer sizes that they know will perform flawlessly on that specific vehicle. For example, this VR-602 is offered in either a 17x9 or 20x9 dimensions, but it's specifically designed to fit 09 and up F-150s, first and second gen Ford Raptors, Toyota Tacomas, and 4Runners, and 07 and up Silverado and Sierra 1500 trucks. But each one of those vehicle fitments is only available in one offset to ensure the best possible fit and performance for your vehicle. Now, of course, the tires that you choose to wrap around them will all depend on your vehicle's suspension modifications, but that's where our wheels and tires team can help point you guys in the right direction. Well everyone, that's going to wrap up my review today of Venomrex's all-new VR-602 custom wheel. So if you've been searching for the perfect set of custom wheels for your truck and you just can't seem to find the right style, I encourage all of you to head over to Carid.com right now and check out this all-new VR-602 from Venomrex. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I will see you guys next time.